Hey guys, it's Jonah. Welcome to my channel, Capital's Growth, and this is my Week 7 portfolio update video. And I'd just like to show you guys my investing plan for August going into September. And I was looking over all of my current stocks, which is around 27 or 28, and I narrowed down 3 that I don't think will be very profitable in the future. And the first one being Canadian Utilities. They're currently $9 billion in debt. While my other position, Algonquin Power Utilities, is $8 billion in debt. It's all focused on renewable energy, while Canadian Utilities is the transmission of electricity and natural gas. So they're trying to be a little bit more stern on the impact they're doing on their environment, which is putting them in quite a bit of debt, and it's kind of affecting their profitability. And while they have been raising their dividends for 49 years, about to be 50, making them a dividend king, I don't see the dividend increases being very much in the future. Maybe a couple cents. That's just the way I see it, and I don't know what will happen to their stock price with them being in so much debt and not having that infrastructure in place already that Algonquin Power and Utility has. I'll just go over the financials for them and just show you what I mean. This is Canadian Utilities' income statement, and as you can see, their income hasn't been really increasing over the past 5 years. Definitely 2020 had an impact on it, and their balance sheet has been around $18 billion in total assets in the past 5 years, and their cash flow has basically been around 400 million. It was in that of March 2020, and now it's at 400 million again. So they've made a little bit of a comeback, which is nice. Actually, I'll just go over to the annual here. So 1.2 billion. And I'll just show you the growth that Algonquin Power and Utilities has had. So since 2016, they've been seeing some amazing growth in their net income, nearly hitting 1.2 billion, which is kind of similar to Canadian Utilities, I think. And balance sheet been increasing pretty nicely over the past 5 years, being around $18 billion in total assets. So they haven't been seeing a decline at all. And then their annual cash flow is $3 billion, which is pretty nice. They can definitely improve their business. And I'll just show you Canadian Utilities cash flow. They're not even close. They're at $1.2 billion. Yeah, so that's pretty much my reasoning of selling Canadian Utilities and focusing on AQN. I don't think I'll add more to Algonquin Power and Utilities quite yet, because it's already a huge chunk of my portfolio. And my second position I'm selling out is RNW, or TransAlta Renewables. The biggest reason is they've only increased their dividend by 1 cent since 2013. I definitely see a future with renewable energy, that's for sure, but I'm not all focused on stock price. I need to see the dividend increasing over time, which I haven't seen for RNW, and I haven't really seen for SIS or Severia Corporation either. And it's definitely a safe company and something to hold if you have, a low to medium risk, but it's not going to generate me as much profit as I'm hoping for. So going to sell those 2 as well. And my plan for buying is more income stocks, split funds, covered called ETFs, and those are all the ones I have listed right there. TXF yet in my portfolio, but that's a covered call for the tech giants in North America. And then I'll also add some individual stocks if the price is right. It's not going to be my primary focus. It'll just be on those income producing stocks. And here are my dividends. They've been increasing pretty nicely since April. This month I actually hit a new record for dividends, $16.83. I just had a couple dividends come in today, actually, on the 29th, and my total dividend so far is 36.56. So here is my TFSA for after week 6. I'm sitting at $5,361. So it's been seeing some really consistent growth, which I'm very happy to see. And I'll show you the past day. I was up $16. For the week, up $54, 1%. Really like to see that. For the month, up 2.60%. The 3 months, up 3.39%. I'll just go all time here. 3.84%, so nearly up $200. So very happy with how my portfolio has been doing so far. And once I make the transfer, or once the transfer comes through of my $9,000 that I'll add to Wealthsimple, hopefully I'm boosting up that dividend monthly income. But anyway, here are my positions right now. I'm just going by total value that they've each produced. AQN that I was talking about is up $31. CGXF, my gold and silver covered call ETF, is up just about $10. CNR has been on the rise this week. Canadian National Railways is up $9. Canadian Utilities, it's been seeing some nice growth since I bought it, but I'm looking at the long term, so up $4. DFN up $2.56, one of my income positions. DGS, one of my riskier income positions, is down $1, but once the dividend comes through, which I think it just hit above its unit NAV that's needed for the dividend, I'll be able to slowly get the monthly payments to boost my account. Do, or BRP, is up $22. EIT.UN is down $1. ENS, my Enbridge Split Corp, is up $4.56. FLI, yeah, so it's up 6 cents. Only have 2 shares for that. FTN, Financial 15 Split Corp, is down 43 cents. Fortis, up 68 cents. I only have 1 share, so hopefully soon I can add another share for them. GVV is down 35 cents. HHL is up 14 cents. Definitely want to add more shares for HHL to get that safe dividend income by those healthcare companies by Harvest. IDR, my real estate ETF by Middlefield, is up $2.60. LBS is up $1.34. I was talking about selling LBS, Life and Bank Split Corp, but it wasn't really missing as many dividends as I thought, so I think I'll hold on to this. Manulife Financial is down $40. Sucks that the price keeps decreasing on this, but at least it's given me a chance to bring down my average cost for it. And on the bright side, they've been consistently raising their dividends each month, so there's not too much of a downside. National Bank is up $4. Haven't received a dividend for that yet. NXF, one of my newer positions, the Energy Giants covered call ETF, down 36 cents. Power Corp of Canada, primary owner of Wealthsimple, is up $25. RNW is up $7. Severia Corporation, which I'll sell, is up $10. Standard Lithium is up $88, so definitely my highest performer right now. Suncor Energy is down $50. It's basically doing the same thing that Manulife Financial is doing, but before this pandemic, they've been raising their dividends. So I'm sure once the price goes up, the dividends that I bought the shares at a lower price will be higher as well. So I think that has a future benefit. TELUS is up $5. TD is down $8.85. And VFV, or my S&P 500 index, is up $5. I only have one share for it, so definitely when my transfer comes through into this account, I will buy some more shares for VFV. And I'll just show you guys my dividend income for this past week. So yeah, the only dividends I've got this week were from Power Corp of Canada, which was $2.69, and then RNW, which is 23 cents. And I've been getting 23 cents each month since April with no increase. So I was saying RNW has not been increasing their dividends for a long time. But anyway, it's still dividend income, and it'll slowly compound and keep growing my account. So hopefully it gets past 4% next week, but only time will tell. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my week 7 portfolio update video, and if you did, please leave a like. It'll really help grow my channel. I'm just nearly at 50 subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you're new to Wealthsimple, check out my referral information in the description. If you've just signed up or had the account for 30 days, you'll be eligible to get 3 free stocks by using my code, and I will get 1 stock in return. So it's pretty nice. I think it's a 95% chance of it being valued between $0 and $50, and then a 5% chance of your 2 stocks being worth $50 and $4,500. So it's definitely worth using that referral if you can. But anyway, hope you guys have a great next week in the stock market. Let me know what you guys are buying and how your portfolios have been doing overall. And see ya.